Okay, this is kind of like a test. 1, 2, 1, 2. See me, hear me. Hopefully the fan's not too loud. And these fun boxes are seat covers, and we're gonna put them on because we're gonna make our seats black. And we have the bench seat in the back, and then the two front. I need to take the other, well, the driving seat out, and then gotta cover them. They came with these blue seats, which honestly match really well to this color, but it's gonna be like impossible to find the same blue in the bench seat, so we just decided to just black it all out. So let's get right into it. Today I am solo-ish. Maybe he'll join us later, but I'm basically solo, and I've never done this before. I don't think he's done this before either. So we're gonna find out what's in these boxes first, and then we're gonna figure out how to take these apart and then put them back together. Sounds easy, right? We'll find out. Oh my gosh. Cut. What are we doing? I'm getting out what I think I need, and then I'm gonna take it apart and then put it back together. I don't know how I'm gonna take that thing apart. It's like dissolving. I guess just like that. Crack it open.
Yeah, there's these little metal clips that you do.
Pliers. Unclip them or? Yeah, just rub them out. Yay, you get me. Not grumpy old man. I'm kidding. He's gonna watch us back and be like, "What are you talking about, girl?" These seats are really dirty. We didn't cover them very well when we were standing, but it's okay. I'm gonna get the driver's seat out first, so we have them both. I think it's a 10mm, but could be very wrong. We're about to find out. How on earth am I going to get this thing out? Just kidding, I'm strong. Okay. Back in business, back in business. So goddamn sorry. It's okay. Okay. Let's figure out what this thing entails. I think they have screws in the bottom. That's all I know. Because of these back plastic bits. They have little clips. Looks like 2 screws, 2 clips. So, ow. Let's do this passenger. I think it matters which one. I think they're the same. Except the little handle. We'll look at passenger first. Passenger looks a little rough on the edge. I wish I could show you. This is what a GoPro would be for, you know? Multiple angles. I'll just turn around. Looks like somebody duct taped it. And then, so there's a bunch of glue residue all over it. Driver's seat, back, just about the same situation. This one's a little top heavy. I'll just leave it like that then. Okay. Okay. Let's figure out how to get this back thing off. It's a Phillips. A screwdriver. Let's do it. I wish I had a stool. This is probably going to be a very chaotic video for you, but I hope you enjoy the chaos. Where did he put the stool? I want to sit. in the comfort of the stool. I'll look for the next 5 minutes. Be back, guys. Can't find it anywhere. I give up. Okay. I gave up way too easy, but I'm doing it. I don't have a seat, so I'm just use the other seat as a seat. Great idea, right? Always thinking. My neck's sweaty. I hope he doesn't come back and yell at me. I'm gonna cry if he does. So we're taking these little screws out. Ew, it's like Cheeto dust is in here. It's probably just some kind of adhesive, but it's yellow. It makes me think of Cheeto dust. You're joking. I'm glad I'm getting this on film. Okay, there's clips up top, so I'm gonna see if I can slide it. I can. Great. Okay. Now the back is exposed. He talked about how he thought we needed clip undoers and then clip putter backers, but he didn't get that tool that we needed for that, so he just said we're gonna rough it and tough it. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. Rough it and tough it. So I couldn't quite find the needle nose pliers because he decided to hide them from me. Maybe they're in the car. I don't see them. So I'm gonna use this and this. I don't know proper terms. I don't care. This is a flathead, so I know that. But other than the screwdriver, I don't know what kind of pliers these are. I feel like I'm gonna get dirty. Are you ready to get dirty? That should be the caption for this stupid thing. Are you ready to get dirty? Camaro seats. It'll confuse a lot of people. Okay, well, I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take me before I quit. Probably not very long. So, ooh, it looks like I'm getting it. Hold on, maybe I won't quit. Okay. Okay, Slay. I did it. One done. I feel like I should take a picture. Okay, let's just count, and worst case, I'll replay this, okay? There's 1, 2, 3 on the top, okay? 1, 2, 3 on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3 on the other side. So 3, 3, 3, 4. Heard that? Good, because I probably will have to replay that when I put this back together. Or I'll have to replay it for my dad because he doesn't trust me. It's not a joke. I feel like you guys don't know anything about us. I feel like I should tell you something. A secret. It's not a secret. But, so obviously, you know it's from our car, which we got February 2022 and are almost done with it. So, like a year and a half. Probably gonna be 2 years when we finish it. No. I want it done in October. There's a car show in October that I want to get to. So that's my goal. But, so we got it then. But, this is my first project car. Even though I've, like, worked on other things with my dad before. But he, when he was 15, 16, rebuilt his own 68 Camaro. It was a convertible. So obviously, when we did the headliner and stuff, he didn't know how to do that. And he did that, so he already has some experience with it. And then he sold it. I don't know how old he was, but he sold it like when I was born. So very sad choice, but things happen, and now we have this one. And I want to rip this so bad, but I don't want to. It's a bad idea. These are like seriously like staples. What are these? They're very annoying. I feel like I'm the right person to do this because I think I could just talk to myself for hours, honestly, doing a task, especially one like this because it's very like low mind. Like I'm literally just trying to get this thing out of here. I did it. And I also got the staple out, which probably wasn't what I wanted, but I did it anyway. Because I kind of wanted to know where they were. It looks rough in that area, so I think we'll know where it is. 2 at the bottom, done. Ooh. Ooh. I hate that. I hate that so much. Like, I know that's just, like... I feel like I should put a plastic bag down. That's what the vacuum's for later. Maybe I should just hook the vacuum up now. I feel like this guy was. Oh, wait. No. Just close that back up. Pretend I didn't see it. Pretend we don't know about it. I was like, oh, I'll just leave that in there. But then I was like, wait, how am I going to put it in the new seat cover if it's in there? Stupid. Sometimes. Sometimes I just don't use my full brain. It's focused on other things. The other things I don't know, but yeah, it's focused on other things. Ooh, that was dirty. My dream car is I don't really care what year, but before 70s, Plymouth Roadrunner. In case you guys wondered, in case you guys have one, that's a project car that you want to give to me for under $8 grand. I'll take it. But that's my dream car. I'm pretty sure my dad's this. He doesn't really talk about dream cars a lot. But so far, I've really enjoyed my experience with dream cars. It's given me a lot of skills that people don't usually get, such as I can now weld. I can now put a headliner in a car. Ooh, I can now paint a car, which is incredible. Bodywork is hard. I didn't know how hard bodywork was before I did this. Like, I thought most of the time, like, because I'm sure there's painters that don't do bodywork and they're just like, oh, I'll just paint it, you know what I mean? But, like, bodywork is so hard. I don't know how people do that for a living. But, I mean, I guess they have better machines probably than what we use, but it's like, it's a busting. I feel like I'm still kind of recovering from all the sanding, but I mean, my dad did more than I did, so it's incredible. I mean, he did his first car too, all the sanding on that, and then I think his uncle painted it, so this was his first time painting a car. And I think we did pretty good. There are a few spots that we think that the clear coat dried, and then when we went to put the other clear coat on, it's not supposed to dry, and then it got like kind of like weird. But honestly, it's not horrible. I think we did really good for our first try. And I know we're kind of disappointed because it wasn't perfect, but I think for a first time, nothing's perfect, and worst case, in 10 years we want to repaint it, then we will. Okay, get this last one out. I Oh, we might need new foam. I got interrupted by a timer I had on to wake up. Ow! But my dad woke me up this morning via air compressor. So thank him. Or else I wouldn't be making this video right now. I'll probably be making it at 8 p.m. instead of 10 a.m. Unscrew it. There's two little screws in the bottom. Let's take that thing out too. Somebody really over tightened the screw. Holy cow. Somebody like drilled the screw in. Holy cow. Dad, I finally got it. Don't even worry about it. Superwoman, right? Kidding. I have some Allen wrenches on these things. That's just a big screw. I'm stupid. Oh no! Lost it! Knobby off. Oh. Why can't tools just work? Oh. Another one. Yay. I don't know what to tell you. Look at it. Is that not a plus?
Nope. That's not a plus. You use the Phillips?
Yes! Your biggest one. That one right there. Yeah, I just put it back.
Oh, this is bigger.
No, no, it fits. I just can't twist it. It's too hard.
Oh, I use vice versa.
I need your strength. It's hot out here. I'm tired.
Who's this?
What? You twist it?
You look like you need water. You're dehydrated.
Probably.
Oh, we have a spare. Not lousy, is it?
What is it?
Something like this.
Well, this is what we call classic miscommunication.
Iron tight.
It's tight for me. Do the other one.
Yeah, I showed you how to do it.
Ah,
I want you to learn.
I did a bunch of things already. Alone.
How'd that make
Fine.
Okay. Yeah. Hand tight.
No, it's still tight. I didn't even know about those ones. I don't think I have those ones. Yikes. Yikes.
Take one picture of this.
I can't take it off. Huh? Why?
Where this shit goes back on.
I already talked to the camera about it. There's 4 on the bottom, 3 on each of the sides, and then there's 2 on these little corners. But you had like 1, you had 2 in here, so you had more than me. That seat must be better made. Is you almost blinded? Oh, you were a lot faster than I was. So I guess you have that going for you. Oh, great. I'm sure it's nasty. Guess you want a new phone? We probably just buy a piece. At least for this part. You. I like how it feels. Can you take this thing off so we can
Back together.
What'd you say?
Put it back together.
No. Why? You need foam? Let's just cover it with a trash bag. I'm not putting it back together. After all this hard work, laboring, can you get that thing off? I can't get it off. It's tight. I tried vice grips and it just wasn't moving. Did you get it? Oh, yes.
Right in the center.
I don't know, do they? See how much worse this one is. This one has a lot more dust than yours did. Oh, yeah. So, new phone? Let's blow on my face. I'll show you what we're dealing with. We took those covers off. No bueno. That's all I gotta say. I'm guessing bottom is the same deal, so we might go buy some new foam and continue this later, or go order some. But I think we could just buy some at like Joann's or something. But here's what we're working with now, and see you for some more.